So, we meet again. Oh, my beloved. So, how do you shoot? Kamu sekarang nembaknya kayak gimana? Huh? Huh? You actually have... You have to charge it. I guess that makes sense. This is not a charge rifle I know and love. You know, I hate to say this, but this is not it. You've changed. You've changed a lot, charge rifle. I know it's been so long since we last met, but I didn't think you'd be this type of person. I guess, with all due respect, it's about time we drop charge rifle. I let you be in my 3D showcase, and for what? For you to turn on me like this? Now it's only a memory.
There's a quiz! Ito, Ollie, Charai went on a journey of self-improvement to be a partner you can be proud of, and this is how you treat him? Oh, the horror. Well, you know what? I never asked Charge Rifle to change. Okay? Even if I find a Charge Rifle, I would still... You know, I haven't met Charge Rifle in so long. But even if I do meet Charge Rifle, I'll still treat Charge Rifle all the same. I'll still be excited meeting him. Now Charge Rifle is just... You know? And then from Fonzie, if it helps to make you bitter, instead of piss boom, now it sounds like you're holding your fart and then letting it out 1 second later. Ew! But I don't like farties! I like piss! Please don't take that out of context. But yeah! Ew! Next is from... Malma. They nerfed the pee. How are you supposed to pee? I don't know, like a fart apparently. Thank you!